Urukiko rwabarugenderire kutekaho emiringo y'abantu bakubasa kutungamo amakuru ahahurire y'abanira bariyoni bijanayo iyo kuhandika abantu bona omwihango kutunga endangamuntu ensya otireho n'okuhandika abo bona babiri batakahandikwaga.
We do that call upon everyone to make sure that you have your national ID, the old national ID that we gave you. So by the time we start the mass enrollment and mass renewal exercise, you are able to bring back the old ID we gave you and we're able to register you or to renew for you and you'll be able to get the new national ID.
Urukiko ruhona kurugirira hari umushabe rwabarugenderire kureba ngo abantu bona batunga amakuru agashyikire.
Mwana muteko stamp kugira ngo tuhandike abantu abo na munonga bari mu communities n'ingashi districts zina border kureba ngo tumwahandikisa abanya-Uganda tumwahandikisa abantu abatari abanya-Uganda kuri bari y'abakongo b'abanyarwanda mutabaha stamp murengo muntu muraze kwa stamp mwari gendesereza mwashuje mabyona ebiri kumukwata
so mbwenu kusya 2024 endangamuntu zimwe zigenzire nizwaho so government ikatereza mandate ningo bushobozi bwo kugira ngo eze ndangamuntu zo nezahwire zikuza kwaho tutandiki kuzigaruka mu busya ningo kuwa kweto kure and therefore icyo nicyo turiyo tukora kugira ngo tutebekanisa abanya-Uganda kurgombyanga byabo. That's why twine abebembezi bedini twine abayobutegeki twine abebyobuhangwa kugira ngo batutwarire ejo message ombantu babo.
Agatha Catherine Achom owajwekera minisita w'enshonga z'omunda Major General Kahindo Tafira harukikoru yayireko mu gasho g'abanya-Uganda bono kwetaba omuhurreji.
One of the key challenges that have come up is to do with the borders, people coming in and going out, people having relatives this side of our country Uganda, then in the bordering country. But I must say that we have mechanisms, and this it has been well articulated by the various persons or staff of NIRA today. We have mechanisms of seeing that this is going to be checked under control.
Amakuraga gashakwa Jonan Singwire.